What if I told you there's a magical spice that could transform your body from the inside out? A spice so powerful that it has been hailed as a natural wonder for centuries, with countless health benefits. In this video, we will explore the potential effects of incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, inform you about its daily safe recommended dosage, and delve into the scientific evidence supporting its use. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice known for its distinctive flavor and aroma, has been used for centuries in Eastern cultures for its medicinal properties. However, it's only in recent times that the Western world has started to recognize the incredible health benefits of this magical ingredient. From fighting inflammation to preventing chronic diseases, turmeric has gained popularity as a superfood with numerous reported health benefits. Turmeric owes its powerful medicinal properties to its main antioxidant compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that gives turmeric its vibrant color and is responsible for many of its health benefits. Let's take a closer look at what happens to your body when you consume turmeric every day. 1. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is a natural response by our immune system to protect the body from harmful stimuli. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Turmeric's curcumin has been shown to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation and its associated risks. Studies have indicated that curcumin can inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules and enzymes, effectively reducing inflammation in the body. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you may experience a decrease in joint pain, improved digestion, and relief from inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. 2. Cancer prevention. Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people worldwide. The good news is that turmeric may play a role in cancer prevention. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, demonstrating inhibitory effects on the growth and spread of various types of cancer cells. Research suggests that curcumin can interfere with the signaling pathways involved in cancer development, inhibit the growth of tumor cells, and even induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. While more studies are needed to fully understand the mechanisms, incorporating turmeric into your daily routine may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. 3. Arthritis relief. Arthritis is a common condition characterized by joint inflammation and pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric make it a promising natural remedy for arthritis relief. Curcumin has been shown to target multiple inflammatory pathways involved in arthritis, providing potential pain relief and improved joint function. Turmeric supplementation can reduce joint pain and stiffness, increase physical function, and decrease reliance on non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in individuals with arthritis. By adding turmeric to your daily routine, you may experience reduced joint inflammation and improved quality of life. 4. Cardiovascular protection. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to take proactive steps to protect our cardiovascular health. Turmeric may offer cardiovascular benefits by improving various risk factors associated with heart disease. Curcumin has been found to enhance endothelial function, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. It can also help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood clot formation, and improve antioxidant capacity. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you may be able to support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Brain health and cognitive function. Maintaining optimal brain health and cognitive function is essential for a fulfilling life. Curcumin has shown promise in supporting brain health and protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Research suggests that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly interact with proteins involved in brain function and neurodegenerative diseases. It has been shown to reduce beta-amyloid plaque buildup, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, and may enhance memory and attention in healthy individuals. By consuming turmeric every day, you may be able to support your brain health and protect against cognitive decline. 1. Recommended dosage. The general guideline is to consume 1 to 3 grams of turmeric per day, which is roughly equivalent to half to 1 teaspoon. This amount usually contains around 200 to 500 milligrams of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. 2. Turmeric supplements. If you prefer a more convenient option, turmeric supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and extracts. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. 3. Precautions and considerations. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it may interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key when reaping the benefits of turmeric. By following these dosage guidelines and best practices, you can harness the power of this remarkable spice and experience its potential positive effects on your overall well-being. How to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Now that we understand the potential benefits of turmeric, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Golden milk. Prepare a delicious and soothing turmeric-infused beverage by combining warm milk, dairy, or plant-based, with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and a touch of honey. Sip on this golden elixir before bed for a restful night's sleep. 2. Turmeric smoothie. Boost your morning smoothie by adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder or a fresh turmeric root. Pair it with fruits, leafy greens, and your choice of liquid for a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. 3. Turmeric rice. Add a vibrant touch to your rice dishes by incorporating turmeric powder or grated turmeric root. The earthy flavor of turmeric complements various cuisines and adds a pop of color to your plate. 4. Turmeric roasted vegetables. Toss your favorite vegetables with a sprinkle of turmeric, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven for a delicious and nutritious side dish packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. 5. Turmeric tea. Brew a warm cup of turmeric tea by steeping grated turmeric root or turmeric powder in hot water. Add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Embrace the magic of turmeric and let it work wonders for your body and mind. Remember, the key is to consume turmeric consistently to reap its potential benefits. However, it's important to note that turmeric's curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. Pairing turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats like coconut oil can enhance its absorption. While turmeric offers promising health benefits, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your daily routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs and help ensure turmeric is a safe addition to your healthcare regimen. If you found this video intriguing and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We would also love for you to subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications so you never miss any of our future health-related content. See you in the next video.